Hi, welcome to Ty's Conscious Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a detox tea that I sell in my store. This package here makes 1 gallon of detox tea and it's good enough for 8 days. But at this moment I'm going to show you how to make a half a gallon using a half a cup of the detox tea. I'm going to add into a glass container and then we'll add hot water. This is 64 ounces of hot water. Then I'm going to let it seep for about 4 hours. But then afterwards, after it cools down, I'm going to refrigerate it. So what I do, I take 6 to 8 ounces in the morning and another 6 or 8 ounces in the evening. And this whole bag will last about 8 days, and it makes a gallon. So there it is. Ty's Conscious Kitchen Detox Tea. It looks delicious, and it tastes delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.